hidden heat, invisible leaks, electrical risks you can't see until it's too late. In 2026, thermal imaging is no longer just for professionals. It's a must-have tool for serious DIers and repair technicians across America. Welcome to Global Deal Explorer, where we analyze the best tools and trending tech so you don't waste your money. Today, we're ranking the top 5 thermal imagers for repair in 2026, based on resolution, temperature range, versatility, and overall value for U.S. buyers. Coming in at number 5, the BSIDE 240 by 240 thermal imaging camera. This entry-level handheld unit offers solid thermal clarity with a 320 by 240 full-viewing TFT display. It's perfect for homeowners checking insulation leaks, basic electrical diagnostics, and HVAC airflow issues. While it doesn't reach industrial-grade precision for the price, it delivers excellent value. At number 4, we have the BSIDE HX3 Industrial Thermal Imaging Camera. This model steps it up with a wide temperature range from -20 to 550 degrees Celsius. For electricians, maintenance crews, and fire safety professionals, this is a powerful mid-range performer. It handles PCB inspections and overheated wiring with confidence. Number 3, the Mileseey TR10. Compact, portable, and designed specifically for leak detection and electronics repair. This unit shines in tight spaces if you're diagnosing water damage, underfloor heating issues, or delicate circuit boards. The TR10 offers impressive sensitivity in a small package. Taking second place, the TOOLTOP ET693C, this 2-in-1 thermal and 1080p visible light camera is where serious diagnostics begin. The fusion technology allows you to overlay thermal data onto real-world visuals, making it much easier to pinpoint exact problem areas. For HVAC professionals and contractors in the U.S., this is a game changer. And our number 1 pick for 2026, the MASTFUYI Professional Thermal Imaging Camera. This is the best overall value-performance balance for American repair professionals. Whether you're handling pipeline diagnostics, industrial maintenance, or high-risk electrical inspections, this tool delivers precision and reliability. When choosing a thermal imager, consider 3 things. 1. Resolution. Higher means clearer heat detection. 2. Temperature range, especially important for electrical or industrial repair. 3. Image fusion, for precise targeting. If you're serious about preventing costly repair mistakes in 2026, investing in the right thermal imager is no longer optional. It's essential. We've placed direct purchase links in the description below, including today's best available deals. Click the link, compare prices, and grab yours before inventory runs low. Because the next hidden problem in your home or job site might already be heating up.